Question is from GATE 2015 heat transfer for 1 mark. Two infinitely large paddle plates are held at temperature T1 and T2 respectively, the and placed at a distance of 2d apart in vacuum. An infinitely large flat radiation shield is placed in parallel in between first and second. The emissivities of all plates are equal. The ratio of the steady state radiative heat flux with and without the shield is, right. They are given it is in vacuum, right, and one shield we have inserted between these two plates, right. It is a 2d apart. Remember one thing, radiation doesn't depend on the spacing. It does not depend on the spacing, so don't be confused with this distance 2d apart, right. So let's start with the solution. We have given this condition. First we will take without shield. If there is without shield condition, we have given the emissivity and Q12, we will consider it as Q12. So without shield we can write it as Q is 12, it can be given as sigma into a T1 to the power 4 minus T to the power 4 divided by 1 upon epsilon plus 1 upon epsilon minus 1. Epsilon 1 is epsilon for one plate and 1 upon epsilon for another plate. Since it is given as emissivity is same, you can see in the question they have given the emissivities of all the plates are equal, right. So I have written is directly write it as, right. Now we will go with the shield. When there is a shield in between, right, and when it achieve the steady state, first heat will transfer from first to third, then third to second, right. If there is a shield in between these two plates, then at steady state heat transfer from first to third will be equal to heat transfer from third to second, right. So we can write it as sigma A T1 to the power 4 minus T3 to the power 4, T3 is the shield temperature, is equal to sigma A T3 to the power 4 minus T2 to the power 4. Again, since emissivities are same, so I can write it as this, right, as I have discussed it earlier. So from this I got T3 is equal to T3 to the power 4, I got T1 to the power 4 plus T2 to the power 5 divided by 2, right. So now you can see here what is this actually doing. This shield is doing, this shield will be at higher temperature from this, so it will reduce the heat transfer because of the temperature difference, right. So it will at higher temperature than this. So temperature is like this, T1 is greater than T3 greater than T2, right. So if we see at steady state, I have told you that heat transfer from first to third will be equal to third to second. So I now with shield I just calculate the heat transfer rate is Q first to third only, right. So from this you can see here Q first to third is equal to sigma A T1 to the power 4 minus T3 to the power 4. Instead of T3 I will write it this, right. If I write this, then you can see here 2 T1 to the power 4 minus T1 to the power 4 minus T2 to the power 5, then it will be cancelled out. From this we get T1 to the power 4 minus T2 to the power 4 and 2 will be here, right, 2 will be here, right. So Q1 to 3, that means it is a with shield. They are just asking the, so finally we will get Q13, that is a heat transfer with shield, upon Q12 is without shield, right, heat transfer without shield. So this ratio we will get is 0.5. From this option A is correct, option A is correct. So thank you, please make sure to like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you.